Kule Shiban Meghalaya. It's special and privilege to be here. It's my debut. I really thankful to the director and the producers. Special thanks to my friend director Mesh and Monica, Naresh Kumar Sarpal and Anurag Jain and other actors, co-actors who acted us with us, and all the musicians from Chennai, my DOP, all my technical crew, and total almost 127 people all over India. They work for this movie. Thank you so much, and it's a very good first show, and I got love from Meghalaya people. So I hope in the coming days they will come and shower their love to us. Thank you so much, and over to Kathy.
Ishibun, Piboro, I involved I Green that New York last year, improve your kita ni bagi movie. Di sekolah itu nakasay po ni nakanyang ulit ni kuaban pat so high people pinyawan ban support dan ini tangkatahi Ishibun.
हुबली शिलोंग यहाँ की ऑडियंस में बड़ी अच्छी लगी और अच्छा रिएक्शन हमें आज यहाँ के ऑडियंस का मिला और बहुत अच्छा हमने एंजॉय किया आज का दिन। बहुत अच्छा लगा, आपने मूवी देखी, पसंद की और जल्दी ही हम आपके लिए और भी मूवीज़ लाएंगे ऐसी उम्मीद है, क्योंकि आप लोगों ने हमें पसंद किया है और ऐसे ही अपना प्यार हम लोग को देते रहिए। थैंक यू।
Play Pibaro, play cafe team, but the Pai Baba Rock and one peg in the film. Tiang kerpat ruki Pai Baba one peg in the film, and I'm going to la shy, but she see. The long film go by internet, ha. The kerpat you Pai Baba one Ishibun. For video and something, tiang kerpat you Pai Baba one, but I'm in same.
Ishibun if you were kerpat ayora Pai Baba yourself one movie they one peg piani film. They were one petty danang mesin video dalan lajo ikmat time save video dang doya video ini acting mo ikat ram di super bagi film kan raja sa kita coba review lah sama